NVIDIA believes it can do better. It is revealing an entry-level AI computer, the Jetson Nano, which is aimed at developers, manufacturers and enthusiasts. NVIDIA says the Maxwell-based GPU of 128 cores and the ARM A57 quad-core processor can deliver 472 gigaflops of processing power for neural networks, high-resolution sensors and other robotic features, while consuming 5W. On the surface, at least, you could reach the optimum point if you are looking to build your own robot or smart speaker. The kit can run Linux out of the box, and is compatible with the large number of AI frames. It comes equipped with 4 GB of RAM, Gigabit Ethernet and the I/O you would need for cameras and other accessories. It is now available at $99 for individuals and $129 for ready-for-production units intended for businesses. That puts it within the reach of amateurs, inventors and students who are willing to spend a little more to create their own automated devices.